Hey, Kevin, Craig Johns here. Just wondering, I know you do a lot of things in disaster relief, and you've been doing it for years and years, 30 plus years, with the BP oil spill being the lead, and also isotopes of nuclear problems in Japan. We're having significant problems trying to find wipes for dry wipes or disinfecting. Please tell me about this new product.
Yeah, so these are called can wipes. And what it is it's an industrial package, 5-gallon container, and it contains a cartridge that you put in that has 270 really heavy-duty towels. And they're really more like cloth rags. They're woven, not glued, and so they stay really strong even when wet. And you get this bucket, and you pour in 1.5 gallons of whatever cleaning product you want this to become. So right now everybody's going to want to use like a good disinfectant, but you can use Windex, you can use solvents, you can use heavy-duty solvent cleaners.
So you're saying you put 1.5 gallons in there and just let it soak in?
Yep, let it soak in there for about 20 minutes, and then it has a dispense top. You know, pop the top down. It's got a nice rubber seal, makes it watertight right here that you can see. And you'd pop it down, and you're ready to go 20 minutes later. So they come out the top like this, and they're, I think, 10.5 by about 13 inches roughly, and they're heavy-duty towels. I mean, these things are not toys.
So give a demonstration, like just on the edge of the bucket there. So you just do your surface disinfecting?
You do your surface disinfecting. You want to make sure surfaces stay wet for ideally 10 minutes, but a lot of these products have a 30-second to 1-minute kill time.
What about when this is empty?
So,
what do you do?
You can buy a refill for it.
Okay, cool.
Or just get another cartridge.
Nice.
They're a super inexpensive way of doing this, and the beauty of it is you have control over how wet you want your towels. So 1.5 gallons makes these really wet, but you could put 2 gallons and have something, you know, almost dripping, or a little bit less if you were maybe doing Windex, for example, if you want to do windows.
From a professional cleaner's standpoint and a disaster relief restoration company, give us your endorsement of this product.
Yeah, well, this is the coolest product I've seen for a lot of reasons. One is you use a lot of towels when you're doing industrial work, and they fall apart, and there's just a lot of problems, and you need a low per towel cost. So this is hands down the least per towel cost you're ever going to find, and it's the one way you have full control over the product. So, and control is important so that you can match your chemistry to what you want to do.
Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate it.